today's video, we're going to work on coughing, trying to stop, suppress that cough, get rid of whatever is going on that's creating all the coughing, and try to kind of help you heal a little bit more as you're starting to move this energy down. Okay, on to the light language. And this is for anybody who has found this video useful. If you found my channel useful, if you'd like to make a donation, I do have a link for the donation. It'll be on the title page as well as inside of the description. Any donation would be just wonderful, as it helps me keep producing these videos. I also ask that, if you don't make a donation, at least pay it forward to somebody else who needs the help, and if you're in a position to help them, I would hope that somebody would just step out, even if you generally charge for services, and provide a service for somebody who can't afford a service. And that would just kind of help with the energetic exchange. And again, thanks for listening.